Anchor Everfrost Powered Cooler. The Anchor Everfrost Powered Cooler is a revolutionary gadget designed for people who love outdoor adventures with modern comfort. Unlike traditional coolers that need ice, this advanced device works like a portable fridge powered by a 100-watt solar panel and a built-in 299 watt-hour battery. It not only keeps your food and drinks perfectly chilled, but also allows you to charge your gadgets with its USB-A and USB-C ports, making it extremely practical. Just like a home fridge, you can easily adjust the temperature, reaching as low as -20 degrees Celsius, which is perfect for storing frozen foods or keeping drinks icy cold. Even if your drinks are left under the sun and heat up to 25 degrees Celsius, the Everfrost can bring them back down to 0 degrees Celsius in just 30 minutes, all without using ice. This means no more messy melted water and more space for essentials. Ideal for camping, picnics, road trips, or backyard gatherings, it offers durability, portability, and unmatched efficiency. Priced at around $800, the Anchor Everfrost is not just a cooler, but a powerful all-in-one solution that combines refrigeration and charging convenience, making every outdoor experience smarter and more enjoyable. Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle. The Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle is a flexible and practical solution for camping with family or friends. This 6-person tent can be used on its own or connected to other compatible tents at 3 different points, allowing you to create a bigger campsite that suits your needs. Extra 6-person and 3-person tents can be added to expand your setup, making it perfect for large groups or extended trips. Setting up the tent is quick and easy thanks to pre-attached poles, hub, fast-fit feet, and snag-free Instaclips that keep everything secure without hassle. The WeatherTech system helps keep you and your gear dry with welded floors and inverted seams that prevent water from getting inside. For even more protection, an extended door awning and rainfly shield you from rain, while the strong cabin-shaped frame is tested to withstand winds of over 35 miles per hour, so you can feel safe in changing weather conditions. With its clever design, easy setup, and reliable weather protection, Columbus Overland. The Columbus Overland is a clever camping tent that mounts right on the roof of your car, giving you a whole new way to enjoy the outdoors. Instead of struggling with poles and ground space like traditional tents, this one opens up easily thanks to its aluminum sandwich panel base that folds like a book. It's designed to fit 2 to 3 people comfortably, making it perfect for small families, couples, or friends who want a quick and stress-free camping setup. Inside, it comes with a soft mattress measuring 235 by 160 by 6 centimeters, so you don't have to worry about carrying sleeping pads. The package also includes a ladder, window bars, and a durable cover to keep everything safe and secure. On top of that, there's a spacious 165 centimeter wide vestibule that gives you extra room to store your bags or sit under shelter when it rains. The idea is simple: pack your clothes and food, and the rest is already built into the tent. Crawler OTAG 385 Luxury Edition. The Crawler OTAG 385 Luxury Edition is a high-end off-road caravan designed for adventurers who want to explore the wild without giving up comfort. Built tough with a durable chassis and off-road suspension, it can handle rough terrains while keeping you safe and stable. Inside, the caravan feels like a luxury retreat, featuring a spacious interior with a queen-sized bed, a fully equipped kitchenette for cooking on the go, and a modern bathroom with all the amenities you need. Thoughtful insulation and climate control keep the space comfortable in any weather, while solar panels and off-grid capabilities let you travel to remote locations without relying on electricity. Every detail of the OTAG 385 is designed to blend durability, style, and practicality, making it ideal for long adventures or weekend getaways. It gives travelers the freedom to explore far-off destinations while enjoying all the comforts of home. Custom 34 Feet Tiny House. The Custom 34 Tiny House by Mint Tiny House Company is a perfect mix of style, comfort, and eco-friendly living. Its exterior blends shiplap and stained cedar siding, giving it a modern yet rustic charm that feels right at home in nature. Inside, large casement windows and 2 sets of French doors let in plenty of natural light, making the space feel bright, open, and inviting. The kitchen is designed for both function and style, featuring butcher block counters, a farmhouse sink, and a gas range, making it ideal for cooking and entertaining. The bedroom is cozy but spacious, with a loft that provides extra sleeping space or storage, perfect for maximizing every inch. The bathroom is fully equipped with a 4-foot RV tub, toilet, and a vanity with a vessel sink, ensuring comfort even in a small space. Every detail in this tiny house is carefully thought out to combine practicality with beauty, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Drifter plus Boondocks Hammock Combo. The Drifter plus Boondocks Hammock Combo is a dream setup for anyone who loves to relax outdoors. Priced at $300, this kit is designed to give you comfort, portability, and durability in one package. Despite weighing only 7.3 kilograms, it's strong enough to hold up to 159 kilograms, making it suitable for almost anyone. What makes it special is how easy it is to set up anywhere, whether you're at a park, lounging on the lawn, by a lake, in shallow water, or taking a break on a hiking trail. The frame is crafted from aluminum, which means it's lightweight, sturdy, and completely resistant to rust, ensuring long-lasting use even in outdoor conditions. The design is smart and practical too. You can sit in it just like a deck chair or stretch out and enjoy it like a traditional hammock. This flexibility makes it perfect for reading, napping, or simply soaking in the view around you. EMUC Airlift. The EMUC Airlift is a clever tool designed to make leveling your camper, motorhome, or trailer much easier and safer. Instead of struggling with bulky ramps or wooden blocks, these inflatable pads give you a quick and reliable way to stabilize your vehicle on uneven ground. Each pad is built to handle up to 11 tons of weight, making it strong enough for even the heaviest motorhomes. They can lift your vehicle by up to 20 centimeters, ensuring a comfortable and level setup wherever you park. Thanks to their ribbed surface, the wheels stay securely in place without slipping, adding extra safety. EvoTrail. The EvoTrail is a smart and powerful wagon designed to make traveling with heavy luggage easier than ever. Carrying big suitcases and backpacks can be exhausting, but with this motorized helper, you don't need to worry about the load. It comes with a strong 800-watt motor, a long-lasting battery, and sturdy wheels that allow it to move smoothly over rough terrain. Whether you're walking through snow, mud, or uneven ground, EvoTrail keeps going without getting stuck. It can carry up to 91 kilograms of luggage, making it ideal for trips, outdoor adventures, or even everyday hauling needs. Flyability Ilios. The Flyability Ilios 3 is a small but powerful drone that is changing the way industries perform inspections. In the past, checking the inside of oil tanks, factories, or even nuclear reactors took weeks of planning, heavy equipment, and big teams of experts. Now, this task can be done in just a single day with a drone no bigger than a basketball. The Ilios 3 is built with a strong spherical cage that protects it while flying into tight, dangerous, or hard-to-reach places where humans simply cannot go. Despite its small size, it carries advanced technology, including sensors, LiDAR for 3D mapping, a thermal camera to detect heat, and ultrasonic detectors for detailed measurements. This combination allows it to collect data quickly and safely without putting human lives at risk. The best part is that all the information is instantly converted into digital reports, saving both time and money while giving highly accurate results. Companies that once spent huge amounts on inspections can now save hundreds of thousands of dollars. The Ilios 3 shows how small innovations can make a huge impact, proving that even the toughest jobs can be handled by the tiniest helpers. F1 Rocket Air. The F1 Rocket Air is an inflatable board that makes water sports easier and more fun by combining everything you need into one piece of gear. Instead of buying separate boards, this one works as a stand-up paddleboard, a surfboard, a sailboard, and even a hydrofoil board. When you're done, it deflates quickly and packs into a backpack, making it super easy to carry whether you're walking, traveling, or even riding the subway. Setting it up is just as simple. You only need a few minutes and a pump to get it ready for action. Once inflated, the Rocket Air is strong, stiff, and durable, so it feels like professional equipment made for real adventure. The best part is that it comes in different sizes, so you can pick one that fits your favorite style, whether you enjoy calm paddling, surfing waves, wind foiling, or flying across the water. It's designed for both beginners who want something easy to use and experts who need performance gear without the hassle of bulky equipment. With the Rocket Air, you get the convenience of an inflatable with the toughness of serious water sports gear, making it the ultimate all-in-one board for adventure lovers. Gerber Stakeout. The Gerber Stakeout is a compact multi-tool made for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or hunting, this tool is built to make your trip easier and more enjoyable. It's only 11 centimeters long and weighs just 94 grams, which makes it super light to carry, but still strong and reliable when you need it. Despite its small size, it packs 11 useful tools into one sleek design. You'll find a sharp knife, an awl, a ferro rod striker for starting fires, and even a bottle opener, perfect for relaxing after a long day outside. One of the best features is the built-in carabiner that allows you to easily clip it onto your belt, bag, or backpack, so it's always ready when you need it. Priced around $55, it's a great investment for anyone who wants a versatile and durable tool without carrying a heavy kit. Gerber, the brand behind it, is well known for making reliable gear and even has a history tied to the military with their famous Gerber M2 knife. The Stakeout is proof that great things really do come in small packages. Houseline Tiny House Co. Houseline Tiny House Co. creates warm, charming, and carefully crafted tiny homes tucked under Australia's gum trees. These homes are built with premium hardwoods and hand-finished details, giving them a personal and inviting feel. Every design is made to make small spaces feel open and practical. Inside, you'll find smart touches like farmhouse-style sinks, built-in seating with hidden storage, and a cozy sleeping loft that feels more like a retreat than a compromise. Large windows let sunlight pour in, brightening the space and connecting you to the outdoors, while insulation keeps the home comfortable all year long. These tiny houses are perfect for solo living, small families, or weekend escapes, offering a mix of traditional craftsmanship and modern convenience. They show that small living doesn't mean giving up style, comfort, or functionality. With thoughtful layouts and attention to every detail, Houseline Tiny House Co. turns compact living into a cozy, enjoyable experience. Starting at around $79,000, these homes provide an affordable way to embrace minimalism, live simply, and enjoy a peaceful lifestyle surrounded by nature. Huga Mini House. The Huga Mini House is a small but beautifully designed home that brings warmth, comfort, and style together in a perfect way. Built with a Scandinavian touch, it focuses on simplicity and coziness, making it much more than just a living space. The large windows are one of its best features, filling the house with sunlight during the day and creating a soft, calming glow in the evening. This connection with nature makes the home feel open, airy, and refreshing. Inside, everything is designed to make life easier. Clever storage solutions, sleek fixtures, and smart use of space show that minimalism doesn't mean giving up comfort. Every corner feels useful and inviting, from the built-in bench that's perfect for sipping hot cocoa, to the cozy window space where you can read, write, or simply enjoy the view. The Huga Mini House is not just about living small. It's about living better. Priced at $42,000, it offers an affordable way to enjoy a lifestyle filled with peace, balance, and simplicity. It's the kind of home that wraps you in warmth and makes you feel at ease, showing that less really can be more. Jet-powered scooter. The jet-powered scooter is an incredible creation that takes the idea of personal transport to the next level. When most people think of jet engines, they imagine airplanes or fast racing machines, huge, noisy, and too complicated for daily use. But the engineers at Spec Technics wanted to change that. They designed a scooter powered by a small turbine engine that brings the thrill of jet propulsion into something lightweight and manageable. Unlike traditional jet engines that require big cooling systems and fuel tanks, this design is compact, easier to control, and surprisingly practical. The team used a mix of classic engineering skills and modern tools like 3D printing to turn their sketches into a real working prototype. What they created is a scooter that doesn't just move, it blasts forward with the kind of power that makes you feel like you're flying close to the ground. It's fast, futuristic, and definitely not your ordinary ride. More than just a fun experiment, the jet-powered scooter shows how advanced technology can be transformed into exciting everyday vehicles. It's a bold glimpse of what personal transportation might look like in the near future, where even scooters can feel like jet-powered rockets.